Welcome back, viewers. We are keeping our continued focus on Karnataka, and this time we're talking about the death of the 23-year-old Neha Hiremath, who was brutally stabbed to death inside the campus of her college. But her family is still seeking justice for their daughter. Politics continues to rage as the BJP alleges that the state government is trying to hush up the case. Union Home Minister Amit Shah met Neha Hiremath's family and assured them of justice. Just before the meeting, Shah launched a blistering attack on the Karnataka government and asked them, or rather asked to quit the government if they cannot run it.
18 अप्रैल को नेहा हिरेमठ की हत्या हुई। किसकी जिम्मेदारी है? भाइयों बहनों बताओ, आप किसकी जिम्मेदारी है? और ये कह रहे व्यक्तिगत मामला है। क्या बच्ची बन ठन कर कैंपस में नहीं जाएगी? आप सुरक्षा नहीं करोगे? इसकी हत्या कर दी जाएगी? अरे नहीं बन पड़ता है तो छोड़ दो, हम कर्नाटक को सुरक्षित करेंगे। भाइयों और बहनों, कर्नाटक की बच्चियों को ये सुरक्षा नहीं दे सकते।
And soon after the meeting, Home Minister Shah, Congress corporator Niranjan Hiremath spoke exclusively to Times Now and said that Shah assured him of the CBI probe if needed, but they should wait for Karnataka CIT probe reports.
यही अपना बेटे के हत्या के बारे में उनको जानकारी दिया। मैंने कंप्लेंट कॉपी, एफआईआर कॉपी और एक रिक्वेस्ट लेटर भी दिया है। कुछ लॉ में बदलाव करना है, कुछ आईपीसी में चेंजेस करने के लिए मैंने एक कॉपी दिया हुआ है। तो उन्होंने भरोसा दिया है कि आगे के दिन में मैं इसको पूरा करूंगा। कर 20 साल का एक सजा है, उससे बढ़िया हम लोग मांग करते हैं कि उसको फांसी का फंदा लगाना है और फास्ट ट्रैक में ऑल केसेस लाके 90 या 120 दिन में ऐसी केस घटनाएं को एक फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट में लेके आने की।
All right, and we have some breaking news coming in. So Neha's father has written a letter to Amit Shah, and that letter has been accessed by Times Now. So Neha's father writes to Amit Shah, and in that letter, Niranjan Hiremath says that this act is condemnable of the highest order, and he demands justice. He says to Amit Shah that ensure justice for my entire family. We have my colleague Aditi, who's joining us from the newsroom. Imran also live with us. Aditi, I'll come to you first. Take us through this letter which has been written by Neha's father to Home Minister Shah.
Well, Meenakshi, Neha's murder sent shockwaves across the country. The politics continues, but here is the plea of a father who demands justice for his daughter. And here is the letter written to Home Minister Amit Shah. Niranjan, over here it's mentioned Niranjan S. Hiremath. He says, the accused person took away the life of his daughter very cruelly, in cruel manner, and then he's against all the principles of nature. Her precious life of Neha Hiremath was taken away by the accused. He's demanding in the letter written to Amit Shah that Neha's murder should be condemned in the highest order. It is not, the accused is not at all permitted for reduced punishment, and he also demands that punishment of the highest order should be given so that it becomes the lesson for the society and offenders to not do it in such an inhuman act.
Well, absolutely, and this is the plea of a father. Imran, it is Neha Hiremath's father writing to Amit Shah, but certainly it's likely to get politicized as well, isn't it?
Well, absolutely. But yesterday, while speaking to Times Now, he said that what he's interested in justice for his daughter, and he doesn't want to get into who is trading what charges. But what he wants is that the accused should be hanged. That's what he feel is the and cases like this should be fast tracked. A new law should be brought in wherein it should be given life sentence, not 20 years. And accused at fast track court should be set up for cases like this, and the accused should be hanged. Is what he feels is justice for the death of his daughter. In fact, I asked him that particular question yesterday. Being a Congress corporator, how does it feel meeting someone, Amit Shah, who is a political and ideological adversary? He said at this moment he's not thinking about that. At this moment he's thinking only about justice for his daughter and the brutal manner she was killed. In fact, he also made to Amit Shah an appeal for CBI investigation. In fact, Amit Shah, speaking to Neha's father, said that if he feels that the CBI investigation is needed, he said that it immediately will be transferred. But we asked him to have patience and to let the SIT investigation continue. And if he feels that the SIT investigation is not done the proper job, then he can immediately call him up and he will order for a CBI investigation.
Well, absolutely, Imran, and thank you for joining us with all